Hello beautiful people, welcome to another interesting video on this channel. In today's class we'll be learning how to achieve this blouse design. So we'll begin by taking our body measurement, after which we'll be using it to draft our basic bodice block. The basic bodice block is actually the basic for every style. So if you don't know how to go about it, check my channel. You will see a video on how to draft your basic bodice block. So do well to follow the steps in order to achieve yours, especially if you're a beginner. So this is it. We are drafting the basic block. You take your bust circumference divided by 4. That's what you are marking. Shoulder to waist, shoulder to the length of your blouse. So whatever we have at the chest, we are marking it the same thing at the waist and at the hip, because the measurement for the hip is not actually needed for this design. It is a free blouse. So you shape in your armhole this way. You mark your neck depth for the back and front and connect it to the neck width. You will be dropping your shoulder either by 2 to 3 inches. It's up to you. And you measure your sleeve opening. Measure your sleeve opening and you connect the 2 lines this way. Connect the 2 lines this way. This is for our sleeve opening. At the hip, we'll be extending the line out this way. At the armhole depth as well, we'll be extending the line. From here, you can measure 12 to 15 inches depending on how you want it, and you connect the lines this way. This side will be dropping just as we see it on the picture. So this is for our armhole. You drop your shoulder down by 2 to 3 inches. So you can choose to extend it from the waist or anywhere in between the waist and the armhole depth. But the one on the picture is actually at the armhole depth, and you cut out the pattern. This is a very simple blouse design. So friends, if you have gotten any value from this video, please consider to like, share and subscribe. So this is the beautiful pattern. You can now cut it on your fabric and you have that design on the picture.